Okay, let's be as fast as possible. Okay, first of all, we need this Assetto Corsa 3D model converter. I'm gonna link it in the description. You can just download it, put it on your desktop, and then you wanna find your model. I have it right here. Just right click, extract here. We're just gonna play personal, and it should look something like this. I don't know why it's all the way at the bottom, but just open it. And then you want to find the file that's going to be the color's name, the Crown Vic in this case. And the thing that you want to look for is the size. It's 50,000 kilobytes. You just want to take it, drag it into the converter. It's going to open up the prompt and just going to do its thing. And then you'll see these types of files here just popping up. What you want to look for is the file that's going to be the same name as the KN5 file, but it's going to be closest to it, because look, we have two files here. One is about half of the other, and you want to find the largest one. And just ignore these ZM hack files. These are just useless. Once you find it, just drag it into Blender. Import, and bam. That's the entire process. If you guys want me to make a video on how to fix the shaders and all that, it's simple, but I can make a video on it. But one thing to keep in mind is that it might not work with every single mod, and some cars will look just like they have some weird spiky thing. I'll show a video on screen how it would look, and if that happens, that means the car is encrypted. And the only thing you can do is either contact the creator of the mod, or you can just find an alternative, and I recommend the second option. But this is just the entire process. Thank you for watching.